TOI 1431b, a planet more smoking than magma that disintegrates metal. This horrible chunk of flares was found by physicists at the University of Southern Queensland. Double the size of Jupiter. Researchers say it very well may be the most sweltering planet in the known universe. The burning planet is under 500 light-years from Earth and arrives at temperatures of 2,700 degrees Celsius. That oppressive warmth is well over the liquefying point of most metals. "This is a repulsive world," Dr. Brett Addison told the press. "No life could make do in its environment." Indeed, the planet's nightside temperature, 2,300 degrees Celsius, is the second most sultry ever measured. Stargazers have uncovered a dark opening 1,500 light-years from Earth, making it the nearest dark opening is known to science. Dark openings are known as inestimable monsters, however. This is one of the littlest at any point seen. The minuscule heavenly article weighs only multiple times the mass of the Sun. Researchers have given it the moniker the Unicorn, since it is uncommon to discover one with such low mass and on the grounds that it was seen in Monoceros, the unicorn heavenly body. A group of specialists at Ohio State University ran over the low-mass item while looking for splendid stars with dark openings close by. Dark openings ingest everything, including light, which makes them famously hard to spot. In any case, the researchers recognized the unicorn, since its attractive energy field has a little pulling impact on a close-by red monster star. This gentle attractive energy pull makes the star mutilate marginally, which the Ohio bunch got utilizing a scope of telescopes and surveys. Is there something monster and puzzling sneaking in space that tears separated close by star bunches? Space experts figure there may be. Lately, researchers have become mindful that stars are vanishing from the Hyades group. Hyades is one of the nearest star groups to our own Sun, sitting only 153 light-years away. Specialists at the European Space Agency, ESA, saw the disappearing stars while taking a gander at information from the Gaia satellite. One hypothesis, distributed in Astronomy and Astrophysics in April 2021, is that an odd vast substance is attacking the Hyades bunch. A slender segment of stars known as a flowing tail appears to have been yanked strange, delivering the stars imperceptible from Earth. The ESA group figure that a meandering wedge of dull matter might be behind the interruption. Scientists figure that Hyades may have experienced a little corona of issue 10 million times the mass of the Sun. As the name recommends, dull matter doesn't produce any light. This implies that, in spite of the fact that it is exceptionally plentiful in the universe, researchers see next to know about it. In 2021, researchers saw an exceptional eruption of energy shooting across the cosmic system. An episode of gamma beams streaked through the Milky Way. In spite of the fact that its starting point has left space experts befuddled. Gamma beams are made when dashes of grandiose beams come tearing through the cosmic system. Astronomical beams are comprised of protons and different particles spat out by detonating stars and dark openings. At the point when these particles come into contact with galactic residue in the Milky Way, it triggers atomic responses bringing about super high-energy gamma beams like the ones recognized. Cosmologists had the option to see the beams utilizing a complex organization of indicators on the Tibetan Plateau. Researchers have portrayed it as a record-breaking disclosure. The most lively explosion of gamma beams at any point identified. At its pinnacle, the Tibet ASY test was getting signals at an eye-watering 957 tera-electron volts (TeV). To place that in context, the shafts at the Large Hadron Collider arrive at energies of 6.5 TeV. For quite a long time, cosmologists accepted that supermassive dark openings won't ever move. The inestimable giants are said to sit unemotionally at the core of practically all huge cosmic systems while stars and planets take off around them. In any case, a new revelation recommends that the model probably won't be pretty much as exact as researchers once suspected. Specialists at the Harvard and Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics were shocked when they detected a supermassive dark opening walking through the skies. The researchers had been contrasting the movement of universes and that of the dark openings inside them. Of the 10 cosmic systems they examined, 9 contained dark openings that were very still. Yet, when they looked inside J0437 plus 2456, a twisting world 228 million light-years from Earth, the scientists found a fretful, dark opening moving at around 4,810 km each second, 2,990 miles each second. Supermassive dark openings weigh such a lot that it takes a huge measure of power to get them to move. The one in J0437 plus 2456 has a mass right around multiple times more prominent than that of the Sun. Researchers are presently quick to work out what made the profound space Goliath begin moving in any case. Astrophysicists have 2 fundamental hypotheses. It very well may be that the dark opening was conceived when 2 separate dark openings impacted and consolidated. This combination in some cases causes withdrawal, which might have sent the recently framed dark opening turning across the universe. Or then again it very well may be that the dark opening is half of a paired framework circling some focal point of mass with its covered-up cousin.